In this video, we'll take a look at how to easily create personalized payment links using SB PayMe, the Simply Book Me revenue management platform. You'll be able to share these links with your clients via email, text message, or QR code to process payments for your services, products, subscriptions, etc. Your clients will be able to use these links to pay with their credit card or via payment processor of your choice. Set up recurring payments if you want to automatically repeat the charge on a regular basis. You can even list varying items and prices for initial payments and recurring ones. Choose a saved payment method if one is available, or choose to save the current payment method once it's processed so you can use it for future payments. List detailed descriptions of sale items, including any additional taxes or discounts. Tag payments so you can group them when creating reports. Start using SB PayMe today to create and share personalized payment requests with ease. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.